Janet and Barn Owl Simon are having a nice bit of steak, washing it down with lashings of red. And then Janet says, and obviously the obligatory birthday cake. But no candles because we haven't got all night to light them. Come, and I will sing birthday to him, obviously. I'm not a monster. Anyway, happy birthday, mate. Happy birthday to everybody who's having a birthday. Some of whom will be named. Now, when I like this song, it's already 7 years old, which is quite ridiculous. And the first aid kit, well, should I just play it? Shut it.